Welcome back to Astro Chronicles. In today's we are going to learn about arc command in Linux. The arc command is small but very useful utility that displays the hardware architecture on your system. It helps you quickly identify whether your machine is running on 32-bit or 64-bit processor architecture, such as i386, x64, 64, yes, sorry, 84, 86, 64, or ARM. This information is important when installing software packages. Basic syntax, let's run. Okay, ARC. Yes, architecture, short for architecture. It shows the version, architecture version. My architecture is x86 64. So my system running in 64-bit architecture. If your system is ARM-based, you may see something like this, ARC 64. Why the system architecture is important? Knowing your Linux architecture is extremely useful because many software packages are architecture specific. For example, some applications only support 64-bit system. Docker images might depend on architecture. Kubernetes node may use different architectures. Certain drivers and binaries require compatibility checks before downloading and installing software. It's always good to know idea where your. There are some options for arc command. Arc dash dash help. Enter. This display usage information about arc command. And the other option, arc dash dash version. This option display information about the arc command. So my arc command version is 9.4. That's all for this lesson. Thank you.